Hello everyone. Today, let me introduce you our new EMS sculpting machine with RF technology. It achieves fat reduction while strengthening and building muscle. This machine equips with 15 inches big touch screen. There are 4 handles, can work in pairs. You can choose 2 handles or 4 handles to work together. This curved design better fits arm and thigh. And these flat handles fit abdomen and buttocks, these big areas. RF supports independent energy output. It is released from inside to outside without damage to skin or muscle. The whole process of treatment is warm and comfortable. With RF technology, the slimming effect is better than ever. Laying down for 30 minutes equal to 30,000 times muscle contractions. Okay, let's turn on the machine and show you interface and operation. There is list, therapy, record, and setting button. And protocol 1, protocol 2. Protocol 1, parameters adjustable. RF, can turn off and turn on. Maximum treatment time 60 minutes. Okay, here you can choose 2 handpiece or 4 handpiece work together. Start. Choose patient type, gender, age group, area. Start. Pause. This is pause button, and if you stop, press this one and exit. Protocol 2, also parameters adjustable, and RF can control independently on or off. Maximum treatment time 60 minutes. Can also choose pair A, B, or C, D, or 4 handle work together. Patient type, gender, age, area. Start. Okay, when you exit, press stop and exit. There is setting button. You can set sound, volume, brightness of screen, date and time, language, knowledge, software, hardware, application. Yeah. Okay.